Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we are going to be going step by step on every guide that you need to get started with. So ensure that you stay with me to the end of this video and also subscribe to this channel. Then let's get started.
Hey my friends. In the fast-paced world of TikTok marketing, staying ahead of your competitors is vital for success. Ensure to click the first link below the video to get access to the best TikTok ad spy tool for free. One effective way to gain a competitive edge is by spying on your competition's TikTok ads. By uncovering their strategies and understanding their creative approach, you can refine your own advertising efforts and stand out from the crowd. In this video, we'll explore expert techniques to help you find your competitors' TikTok ads and spy on the competition like a pro. 1. Utilize the TikTok Ads Library. The TikTok Ads Library is a treasure trove of valuable information for competitive analysis. This powerful tool allows you to search for ads by advertiser, category, or keyword. Take advantage of this resource by exploring the ads run by your competitors. Study their ad formats, creative elements, and the target audience they're focusing on. This knowledge will enable you to gain insights into successful strategies and apply them to your own campaigns. 2. Monitor TikTok ad campaigns. Regularly monitoring your competitors' TikTok ad campaigns is essential. Keep a close eye on their advertising activities to understand their current promotional tactics. Observe the types of products they advertise, the ad frequency, and the messaging they use. Look for patterns and changes in their strategies over time. By staying updated, you can adapt your own campaigns and stay one step ahead of your competitors. Ensure to click the first link below the video to get access to the best TikTok ad spy tool. 3. Analyze engagement and feedback. Engagement metrics are key indicators of ad performance on TikTok. Pay attention to the number of views, likes, comments, and shares on your competitors' ads. Analyze the sentiment of the comments and look for valuable feedback from the audience. By understanding what resonates with their viewers, you can fine-tune your own ad content and increase engagement with your target audience. 4. Follow influencers in your niche. Influencers play a significant role in TikTok marketing. Identify the influencers your competitors collaborate with for their ad campaigns. Follow these influencers and monitor their content closely. Influencers often provide insights into their partnerships and behind-the-scenes details of the ads they participate in. By staying informed, you can gain inspiration and identify potential influencers for your own brand collaborations. 5. Stay updated with trends. TikTok is renowned for its viral trends and challenges. Keep a pulse on the latest trends in your industry and see if your competitors are leveraging them in their ads. By staying updated, you can tap into popular trends and incorporate them into your own campaigns. Aligning your brand with trending content not only attracts attention but also keeps you relevant and connected to your target audience. Finally, spying on your competitors' TikTok ads can give you valuable insights and a competitive advantage. By utilizing the TikTok Ads Library, monitoring ad campaigns, analyzing engagement and feedback, following influencers, and staying updated with trends, you can uncover strategies and creative elements that work. Remember, the goal is not to copy your competitors, but to gain inspiration and adapt their successful tactics to suit your own brand. With these expert techniques, you can spy on the competition like a pro and take your TikTok advertising efforts to new heights. Ensure to click the first link below the video to get access to the best TikTok ad spy tool. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.